Hello guys and welcome back to another video on login helps. Today we're going to be teaching you how to add another ID on your Facebook application. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos by us. Without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, go ahead and open your Facebook application. Now, if you're logged into your own account and you want to add another account to your device, go ahead to the three-barred icon that appears on the top right corner of your screen. If you scroll down on this page, you'll be able to see the logout button that appears on the very bottom of this interface. Tap on it, tap on logout. Now you'll be able to see the option of log in to another account. Tap on it. This will redirect you to Facebook's login page. Now simply enter your login credentials and tap on login, and then you'll be able to access this ID in the same Facebook app in which you were using other Facebook account. And this is how you can add another ID in Facebook. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.